Hi, welcome to the next part. We're actually going to get into solving equations by using multiplication. So I'll start off with a problem for you to figure out or to work out. So we have, let's see, 2/3 x equals, let's say, 6. So we have 2/3 x equals 6. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to multiply both sides by what we're trying to get rid of. Now the only way to do that, to undo this right here, we would have to multiply by the reciprocal. The reciprocal means the flip of it. Basically, you're flipping it over. So reciprocal or flip. Okay? So if I were to flip this 2/3, I would have 3/2. And whatever you do to the left, you have to do to the right. So I'm multiplying by 3/2. Okay? So then the next thing you have to do, notice, okay, 3 diagonally cancels out with 3, so you're left with 1 there. And then 2 diagonally cancels out with the other 2, 1, 1. So you're left with 1x, or also known as just x. Okay? And then from there, on that point, so from there, now you have 6 times 3/2. What'll make it easier to work it out and to look at, because you might tend to multiply 6 times 3 and then 6 times 2, which is not correct. So we turn 6 into a fraction, and those of you have told me many times to turn a whole number into a fraction, you just put it over 1. So I'm really saying 6 times 3, which is 18, over 1 times 2. And I can simplify this. 18 divided by 2, or half of 18, is 9. So in this case, x equals 9. So then from there, in order to make sure that your answer is correct, you have to check it. So you take your 9 and substitute it back into the original equation. So I have 2/3 times 9 equals 6. That's the original equation. So I'll write it up here so you can see 2/3 x equals 6. So then I had to substitute the 9 for x. So now, to make this a little easier to look at, I'll put 9 over 1. Okay? So now I can multiply across. I can do that. Or you can eliminate, you can simplify in between, whichever way works for you. We did it in class, and I know you understand your way to do it. So whatever makes you comfortable, you use that. So I have 2 times 9 is 18. And then I have 3 times 1, that's 3. So will this be working out? 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 does equal 6, so it works out, so you know you got the correct answer. All right, have a good one.